Hi, my name is Sean Querson, and this is my wife, Abigail.
Hi.
We're from Harvester Reformational Church in Cape Town, South Africa. And we really enjoyed having Dr. Brian Adams come and visit Cape Town. We were privileged to go out with him to a few of the churches that we network with here in Cape Town. And we saw people being set free from unforgiveness and also being healed. And that really stood out to me, that forgiveness really is the key to unlocking the healing. And Brian also encouraged us that, in order to have authority, we need to be under authority. When we look at the local church, we need to be in submission to the leaders that God has placed there. And so if we are in obedience, then we can help others within our community to receive from the Lord. And that really stuck out to me.
Yeah, it was just amazing to see all the healings and the miracles. And like Brian always says, the church of the first century is still relevant today. Jesus still heals, Jesus still does miracles, and he still delivers. He's alive and well and still sitting on the throne, and we are seated with him in heavenly places. It was just an amazing honor to attend all these meetings with Brian and to witness all these things, and just to understand that it happens. It's available to us in our daily walk with Christ. It's not just a once-off thing, but it can be available to anyone really that calls on the name of Jesus. So yes, and just thank you to Brian for his kindness and his humor, and just for caring. He's really someone that cares about people, and it's evident when you see him and when you walk with him. So we just want to say a heartfelt thank you for his time here. Thanks.
Yes, so thank you, Dr. Brian. And, we believe in what was said, that revival and reformation is breaking out here in Cape Town. And God bless you. Grace and peace.